Now comes the second question. The second question was how to rate reference levels. Now, if you have been using market profile for a while, you must have heard about all these short forms I keep using in my Slack group. YH means yesterday's high, this is yesterday's low, yesterday's close. HVN is high volume node, LVN is low volume node, poor high, poor low, intraday, poor high, intraday. You know, all these references are there, which are available day in and day out. Each day has a high, low, and close. Each day has a HVN and a LVN. Each day may or may not have prominent point of control, but it does have a point of control. Sometimes there are anomalies, and you know, I have covered all these references in detail in my course. But what I want to answer for this question is, I want to make a qualitative statement here. I mean, you can just give numbers that I prefer yesterday's high more than any other reference, but then you know, it really does not make sense. What matters is it's not what reference the market is visiting or trading at, but what the market is doing at that reference is important from a trading perspective. Now, if you reach just yesterday's high or yesterday's low, then obviously you have two possibilities. Either we break down from that or break out from that reference, or we just fail to auction below that reference and just reverse from there. So these are the only two possibilities that may happen at a particular important reference. What I'm interested in is I'm trying to find out whether the market is basically trying to break out from that reference, or it is struggling to continue ahead of that reference. And I'll just go through a detailed example of this when we considered a failed auction. It is one of the questions asked, so we are going to that. So what I would like to say once again is that don't try to rate the references, but try to understand what the market is doing when it reaches any one of these references, and what the smart money might be doing at those particular references. So once you know that, you will be able to, you know, trade successfully and take some great trades. And we'll look into the failed auction shortly, and you will be able to see that for yourself.